In this video, I will show you how to install a peg head setting on a band and how to set a split prong setting. To follow along with this video, you will need the following materials. I will shape the band into a D shape to bring the ends together. I will burn off some of the flux before placing the solder on the seam. I will clean up the outside of the ring with rubber wheels. I will mark the center of the band with a short line about 5 millimeters long. I will start by drilling a hole that is 1 millimeter, and I will work up incrementally until I create a hole that is 1.5 millimeters. I will position the peg head so that the openings in between the prongs are in the north, south, east, and west position. For cleanup, I will snip off the peg and clean up the inside of the band with a sanding mandrel. I will be using a 90-degree heart burr that is smaller than my stone, but not so small that it can fit in between the prongs. Once the seat is cut, I will snap the stone into place with a stone pusher. And to complete the ring, I will polish the ring at my bench, and then I will clean it in the ultrasonic.